Hello everyone, this is Sajjad Khan from Microcare Academy. In this video, I am going to talk about what a database is and provide a real-time example of how it is used in healthcare. So what is database? Database is organized collection of data, typically stored electronically in a computer system. It is designed to effectively store, manage and retrieve large amount of data. For those who wants to learn more about what is data and what is information or, I have included a link in the description below. Make sure to check it out. So let's take an example of how a database is used inside a hospital. First of all, I would like to show you the patient's journey in the hospital. At every stage of patient's journey, we can see how data gets generated, stored, and retrieved. A patient visits the hospital and wants to make an appointment with a doctor. The receptionist asks for some details such as patient name, date of birth, gender, nationality, and so on. After collecting this information from the patient, the receptionist creates an appointment for the patient. So here, creating an appointment for the patient, it's like generating a data inside a database. And then the patient enters the doctor's clinic, where a nurse takes the vital signs such as blood pressure, pulse rate, respiratory rate, height and weight. So taking these readings from the patient, it's like generating a data in a form of vital signs. And again the doctor diagnoses the patient and the doctor performs some procedures like giving an injection, and also doctor can request some lab test like a blood test. So here again a doctor, it's generating a data that a doctor has requested so and so lab test and the doctor has performed so and so diagnosis and the doctor has given so and so procedures for the patient in certain visit. The patient then submits the blood in the laboratory where the lab gives a lab results which may be in a form of an image, number or a text. From these lab results, a doctor will give some medical prescriptions to the patient. If we see this entire journey of a patient inside the hospital database collects, generates, stores a lot of data like the patient information, appointments, vital signs, diagnosis, lab tests, prescriptions, and so on. All this data of the patient's journey within the hospital is stored inside the database. Whatever we saw till now, it's all about storing and collecting the data. Now let's see the retrieving the patient's details from the database. Now the patient returns to the hospital after a few days. A doctor or a receptionist can retrieve the patient information by using their identity number or a mobile number, and the doctor can easily view the patient's history including the previous appointments, vital signs and other information. As here we can see, a doctor can able to view the blood pressure of his previous visits, the heart rate of the patient for the previous visits, the temperature, height and weight. At the same time, a doctor can also able to view what is the heart rate in this particular visit in the 18th Jan or maybe in the 12th December of 2021. What is the heart rate of this patient at this particular visit? Every day, thousands of patients visits the hospital, and every patient generating huge amount of data in the database. Once the hospital contains patients' data, then the data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analysis helping the hospitals in various ways like predictive analysis, that is identifying the patient who are at a risk of diabetes or heart diseases or a cancer, and also in various ways like data analysis, health insurance claims, and patient satisfaction. So, in summary, database is an organized collection of data, and database is designed to effectively store, manage, and retrieve large amount of data, which is critical for providing effective patient care in hospital. This is the only one example of healthcare. Database can be used in e-commerce, banking, social media platforms, government sectors, and so on. I hope this video has helped you to understand what a database is, how data is generated, stored, and retrieved in the healthcare. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the coming video, we will gonna have a SQL Server tutorial where we will gonna learn about how to create a database, restoring a database, creating the tables, constraints, schema, primary key, foreign key, SQL commands, queries, inner joins, aggregate functions, and lot more. So stay tuned. Bye bye.